Assalamualaikum kepada Dr. Rizita. Kami dari Grup 4 ingin membentangkan hasil dari aktiviti perdagangan kami sepanjang 4 minggu. Berikut adalah ahli-ahli Grup 4 iaitu Wehan, Jason, Akraf, Syazwan, Nur Syazana Nabilah dan Farhana. Berikut adalah detail bagi assignment ini. The objective of this assignment is to provide students with a practical understanding of stock trading by participating in a simulated stock market game. Students will be given an initial virtual capital of 10,000 ringgit to invest in stocks of their choice. The goal is to apply their knowledge of stock trading principles, analyze market trends, and make informed investment decisions to maximize their gains over the course of the simulation. The rules are students are required to conduct thorough research on different stocks, industries, and market trends, make informed decisions on which stocks to buy based on their analysis. Diversification is encouraged, but the final choice is up to students. Each student must hold a minimum of 3 different stocks in their portfolio, and students are allowed to discuss with their groupmates on which stocks are performing. Next up is how I performed during the 4-week period of investing. We start off with a capital of 10,000 ringgit. My strategy used to buy, which is fundamental analysis. I bought Tata stocks when they were about to announce their third quarterly earnings report. And my strategy used to sell, which is swing trading, was when I got hold of a news where Tunku Kamariah Amina, Johor's princess, is going to be their non-executive chairman. I invested in Teta, Data Prep, Semtrack, and Tenaga, and ended up with an end capital of 8,834 ringgit, with a loss of 1,166 ringgit. The graph on the right shows my portfolio value during the 4-week period. These are the reasonings as to why I chose to invest in them. For Data Edge, I purchased their stocks a week before their third quarterly earnings report, expecting an increase in their stock value, but it did not perform well. Semtrack, I invested in their stocks after hearing the news of Johor's princess, Tunku Kamariah Amina, being appointed as their non-executive chairman, and it paid off well. For Data Prep Holdings, I purchased their stock because I believe they are undervalued, because their historical significance of being the first Malaysian IT company listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange in 1991. And lastly, for Tenaga Nasional Berhad, I invested in their stocks because I need a safety net stock. Given their historically stable and relatively inactive price changes, they provide me with a sense of security in my investment portfolio. Also, I aim to get their earnings per share, which is quite high.
Hi everyone, my name is Gowi Han. So I will continue the summary with my game result. I start with a capital 10,000. Strategy to buy the stock I use is Skinner. And then the strategy to sell the stock is I see the earning. The stock that I invest are Ajinomoto Malaysia, Hassan Industry, Apollo Fruit, and Wellcore Holding. End of capital is 9,986 ringgit and I lost 15 ringgit in this game. So they are the reason that I choose this stock in my game. The first one is Ajinomoto Malaysia. Ajinomoto Malaysia Berhad have reward shareholder with a total shareholder return of 43% in the last 12 months. This includes the dividend. Globally, the 5-year analysis TSR loss of 3% per year compare very unfavorably with the recent share price performance. Next is Apollo Food. Apollo Food Holding Berhad shareholder can take confidence from the fact that EBIT margins are up from 5.3% to 40% and revenue is growing. And then for Hassan Industry, Berhad have an ROCE of 36%. That's a fantastic return, and not only that, it is outpaced the a variance of 5.7% earned by company in a similar industry. The last one is Wellcore Holding. Wellcore Holding Berhad dividend is covered by both profit and cash flow. Since this is a general a sign that the dividend is sustainable and a low payout ratio usually suggests a greater margin of safety before the dividend get cut.
Okay, for my part is I invested with the capital in 10,000 ringgit, and the strategy that I used to buy the stock is what company is trending to buy the stock, and also I will check their performance using their financial performance. Okay, the strategy that I used to sell their stock is when the price is already high, and I will sell their stock. Okay, the company that I invested in firstly is Petronas Gas Malaysia Berhad, second is Petron Malaysia, third is Mr. DIY, and the last one is Gamuda Berhad. Okay. The end capital when I already sell their stock is RM 9,919 ringgit point 68 to 0.68 cent, and I lose RM 18 ringgit point 32 cent. And the right is my portfolio value for the 4 weeks period. Okay, these are reasoning why I choose that company to buy their stock. Okay, firstly is Petronas Gas Berhad. I purchased Petronas Gas Berhad stock when stock price is very low, which is RM 16 ringgit 70 cent. Because the strong financial performance that has raised stock price to RM 15 ringgit point 82 cent for a 1 week. Second is Petron Malaysia Berhad. I invested in the Petron Malaysia stock because of a good performance in the financial, and also they got many awards and certificates that show that the company is in a great performance in oil and gas. Third one is Mr. DIY Group Berhad, that I invested in Mr. DIY Group stock because due to open their store more than 150 store in 2023. It showed that company have the strong financial performance to expand their market by opening a new store. And also other than that, Mr. DIY also got a World Branding Awards in 2023. And also the last one is Gamuda Berhad. I purchased Gamuda Berhad stock because Gamuda Berhad is an engineering and infrastructure company that always award a great project such as a MRT project in Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan and Sydney.
I'm Jason, and now I will share my game result in Bursa, Malaysia. The capital was stuck at 10,000 ringgit Malaysia. The strategy that I had used to buy and sell the investment is buy low and sell high, which means buy the store when they have hit a bottom price and sell the store when their price peak. The companies that I have invested in are Hong Leong Bank, Padini, Bonia and Maxim. The capital was decreased from week 1 until week 3 and increased again on week 4. The end capital is 9,877 ringgit 31 cent. It means lost about 122 ringgit and 96 cents. This is a sharing about me. I will pass to the next member.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So I have traded 4 company which is Mflex, Parson, Aeon and LGMS. I got 10,000 ringgit for the capital and my ending capital is 9,663 ringgit 82 sen. I have lost 324 ringgit 44 sen. The method that I use to select and buy the stock is to see at what's trending at the Bursa Marketplace website. Mflex Berhad is a Malaysian-based investment holding company that include manufacturing and distribution. This is the Mflex stock performance. Next, I bought Enflex stock on 21st November and until the end of the day, I still do not sell the stock. After made a research, it is because of overly optimistic. They might have been overly optimistic about the potential for the stock to rise, perhaps based on incomplete information or emotional attachment. Second, lack of research. The insufficient research or understanding of the market condition and the specific stock might lead to unrealistic expectations. Lastly, fear of missing out. They could be influenced by the fear of missing out on potential profit, causing them to hold into stock despite adverse market movement.
The starting value provided before trading started in the Bursa marketplace was RM10,000. Some of the companies that I chose to invest in are Partner Holdings, SOS, Sandabi, and Kitacoin. The method that I use to select or buy shares for Partner Holdings are buy and hold and what's trending. I selected the set to consumer clicker and it shows that Partner Holding is the most trending than other companies. The decision to invest in Partner Holding in the Bursa marketplace and buy the stock should be based on comprehensive analysis of the company's fundamentals, market position, and growth prospect. The average score or value error low for Bursa Holding is 9 in the Bursa marketplace, indicating that on average, 9 out of 10 shares traded on a stock occur within value error levels. I chose to buy the stock at the price of 285 cents for 1,000 units, then hold it for a while and proceed to sell it at the price of 290 cents for 700 units. Overall, I lost 451 ringgit 60 cents and did not receive the profit because of insufficient knowledge. I do not have enough knowledge about the stock markets, the company that I am investing in, and the investment strategy that I am using are ineffective. Next is because lack of patience. Investing requires a long-term perspective. Impatience and a desire for quick profit may lead to premature selling or poor investment choices.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I would like to share my history game for trading in Bursa trading. Total capital that we have provided was 10,000 ringgit. Since I'm not very familiar about this game, I'm trying my best to gain profit. Strategy that I use to buy and sell in this game is day trading strategy. In this strategy, the investors will buy stock in a low price and will immediately sell it when there is a slightly change in price in a short period of time. After joining the game, I have traded in 10 companies and some of the company is Samdarbi, Focus Point Holding, Agmo Holding and Lion Industries. At the end of the game, my capital was 9,814 ringgit 77 cent and I lose about 153 ringgit 86 cent. This is because I'm not alert about the fluctuating movement in the stock market every day. The most profit that I got was from Sam Debris Company. In 21 November 2023, I have bought 1,000 unit, which is 60% per share, since I realized the price was low. Then I sell 200 unit of the shares in 26 November because I realized the price was high in 3 cents per share. In 28 November, I sold all of my shares in Sam Derby since the price was increased 5 cents per share. The total of the profit I got for this company was 46 ringgit.